Kaspa realistic price prediction by 2025. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to see lots of interesting things around the Kaspa. We are about to analyze what happened since yesterday from a price perspective. You can clearly see right now Kaspa is starting at 0.034 cents, and as you can clearly notice from the chart, right now the situation is on emergency because we are very close to break this huge uptrend support, and if this is gonna happen, then maybe Kaspa will get into a lower price. That's obviously from the technical side, okay, because any news from the fundamental side can pump the price of Kaspa anytime. So that's why I always tell you to do not rely on technicals and give more priority to fundamentals. But on this video, we're going to discuss all these scenarios, fundamental, technicals, everything. And also do not forget that also we are very close to break this downtrend resistance. If this scenario is going to happen, very quickly into very bullish situation. So on this video we're about to discuss all of these things. We're about to see also the hash rate and also the top addresses, because we have some crypto exchanges that are accumulating lots of Kaspa in this dip that's happening. They exploit the dip. So we're gonna speak for all of these things, and also at the end of the video I'm gonna give you a realistic price prediction, something that lots of people asking me all over the time, to show you a realistic price prediction and also to explain you why I believe that these numbers are possible. So on this video we're about to see all of these things, and if you are interested for these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you are Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa investor, or Kaspa holder, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because I upload daily Kaspa videos, and I try to educate you and also to inform you with the latest news around the Kaspa and in the world crypto market in general. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to know all of these things by first hand. And also do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you're about to find my private Telegram community. And guys, we are growing and I'm very happy for that. I really appreciate the support that you are showing me. And on that private Telegram group, guys, you're gonna have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything there. I'm gonna be there for you to reply your concerns and your questions. Also, we have lots of multimillionaires, so lots of guys with very high experience in the crypto space, and all together we are working like a family. We help each other and we have a very great atmosphere. Also, you're about to find my crypto portfolio, where you're gonna see exactly how I handle my crypto portfolio after all of this experience that I have got since 2016. And simultaneously, you're about to find my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. So in general, if you are interested to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with our typical update of where we are starting. Guys, Kaspa is starting at 0.033 within 34 cents, ranked 53, which is still astonishing. Okay, Kaspa, always remember, and I repeat some things because we have new subscribers every day. Guys, we are competing with other layer ones that are backed by big top tier exchanges, and Kaspa is standing right now at rank 43. We have seen Kaspa before a couple of weeks or before a couple of days, I don't remember exactly, under top 50, which is astonishing. Okay, imagine what's going to happen when Coinbase, Binance, OKX, Crypto.com, Gemini will list Kaspa. Kaspa will be definitely under top 25, maybe under top 20. Kaspa has power, okay, and even right now, without being backed by major exchanges and starting at this rank, is power. And the power comes from the community. That's why I love the community driven projects like Kaspa. And also it's a fair lance. That's why it has power. Okay, no one can dump the price. So the market cap right now is at 700 million, which is screaming an accumulation zone. I hope you do your dollar cost average at these prices, because as I have told you, it's a very thin line where we can see a sudden pump, and the Kaspa price may be with this sudden pump that can happen anytime soon, will never ever reach these low prices again. So don't wait, guys, to see Kaspa at 2 cents to buy, because this scenario maybe will not happen. And with any kind of sudden pump, you will need to buy Kaspa at higher levels. So you're gonna lose the opportunity to accumulate at 700 million market cap. Any sudden pump will pump the price of Kaspa from a market cap side approximately to 1 billion. So you will buy your Kaspa more expensive. So the best thing you have to do is to do dollar cost average, and if you find a very sweet spot, then you can buy a bigger amount. Okay, and if you need help for that, my Patreon group is here, and you're gonna see exactly how I deal with this situation. Anyway, let's move straight into the technical side, because as I have told you, we are in a very crucial thin line, and right now it seems that we're gonna get to break this massive support area. I have told you that I believe the 3 cents support area is very strong to break, but it's not impossible. Okay, especially with that, especially with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will drop under $26,000, and let's say under $20,000, then obviously all the altcoins and all the cryptos are going to be liquidated. Okay, so only in that case I can see, let's say, Kaspa under 2 cents if Bitcoin drop under $20,000, and more specifically under $19,000, $18,000, and prices like that. Otherwise I cannot see Kaspa even under 3 cents. Maybe if this is gonna happen, the worst case scenario for me is this one, the 0.027 cents. And if you ask me why, Chris, you don't see the Kaspa lower, guys, because right now we have 700 million market cap, and we have got lots of diamond hands. Who's gonna sell the Kaspa at 0.02 cents? For example, to drop under 2 cents, or at 0.025 cents, or even at 3 cents. Who's gonna sell? Okay, especially if you ask all my Patreon members that they bought Kaspa at 0.015 cents or at 0.020 cents, and not only my Patreon members, but in general, the old holders of Kaspa, no one will sell Kaspa no matter how low it's gonna get. All of these people gonna buy. Okay, you're gonna tell me that these are actually retail investors, but you need to realize that this is a mindset of every kind investor, even if it's retail or even if it's a massive whale. These prices are actually the prices that are in that screaming accumulation, dollar cost average, or you can buy big bags on these all areas. And to remind you guys, we are here long-term investors. We are not traders. We are not short-term traders. So in the dips we buy, and we're gonna sell, and I'm gonna take some profits by the peak of 2025. Okay. So the worst case scenario for me, if we're gonna break this support area and if we're gonna see furthermore selling pressure, is the 0.027 cents. For those people who believe that Kaspa can drop lower due to the reason of mining of the ASICs, guys, you need to realize that due to the monthly reduction, and we have a next reduction in 6 days, due to that reason, miners cannot sell their Kaspa, because to keep that profitability, due to the monthly reduction, they need to see price appreciation. So if they're gonna start selling, the price is gonna drop very low. And also, to be real, they don't have that much power, even if they sell every single Kaspa coin, because the 70%, guys, is out by the GPU miners, not by ASIC miners. So the ASIC miners, they're gonna be able to mine approximately another 25% of the total supply by 2026. So as you understand, even if they dump every single Kaspa coin, that's not gonna make any crazy damage to the price, not a significant one at least. So this is exactly what I'm expecting. And guys, if we're gonna see any possible reversal, I'm gonna break this downtrend resistance, the situation here is gonna flip very bullish, and I believe that we can see like instant pump straight to 0.042 cents. Okay, and if we're gonna break this one, this resistance, we're gonna get straight into a new all-time high. That's from the technical side. Let's move to the hash rate. Hash rate, as you can clearly see, is going into another new all-time high. We are very close to 17 petahash per second, which is astonishing. And as you know, This is due to the reason of the arrivals of ASICs to the miners. Okay, and from time to time we're gonna see hash rate above 20 petahash per second, and even we can get very close to 30 petahash per second by the end days of September, where all ASIC miners will be arrived to the miners. So let's move into the top addresses, where you're gonna see here that Mixi bought some more, not significant amount, but they are accumulating. And also Get.io, guys, look how big growth they got into the Kaspa holdings. Before a couple days, Get.io had 640 million Kaspa coins, and right now they are very close to 700 million. I believe that if they're gonna continue to do dollar cost average, they can flip easy the KuCoin, which KuCoin is actually in the same position for over a month. So as you understand, this is this is very bullish. Coinex bought some more, BitGet bought some more, and the big exchanges and the big whales and the sharks are actually buying right now. Okay, they are not selling. This is something that you need to realize, and also, guys, you need to do by yourself too. And right now, let's get straight into the topic of the video, which is a realistic price prediction. I have wrote down here because there's a couple infos that I would like to tell you, and I don't want to forget those. Guys, by 2025, I have got a prediction for Kaspa to reach 200 billion from a market cap side, which is approximately $10. This is where I believe Kaspa can get, okay, from $5, which is approximately 100 billion, up to $10. And you're gonna ask me, Chris, these numbers are crazy, there is no chance to get there. Okay, and I will explain you on this video why I believe 200 billion is conservative price prediction, not crazy. So let's start the explanation. It's estimated, guys, that $10 trillion are about to come in the crypto space by 2025. And some people are gonna say that typically it is 3x to 4x higher than the previous all-time high. And I'm speaking for the general crypto market price, okay? The previous that we had in 2021, it was approximately 3 trillion. So right now, with this estimate prediction, it's going to be approximately 10 trillion. But I don't actually take this index seriously. I mean the historical speaking move that we have always seen in the past, like 3 to 4x bigger than the previous one. But I believe that by 2025, more and more people are going to realize that our current existing system is a scam, and the solution here is going to be the crypto space, and more specifically the Bitcoin. So that's why we're going to see large amounts of money inserting into the space. And as you can notice by the news, ETF approvals are coming. BlackRock, Fidelity, all of these big financial institutions are about to invest like crazy into Bitcoin, and all of these things, plus the global economy, which is going from bad to worse, are about to make the people to start finding a solution, because the collapse is in front of us. Okay, everyone knows that. I believe into more money printing by 2025, plus the inflation, and that's going to lead, guys, to the people to realize that we need to find something that is more fair for everyone. And that's the Bitcoin, that's a crypto, and right now we have the Kaspa, and that's the Kaspa, because Kaspa is better than everything else. So let's continue. I estimate approximately an easy 3 trillions to 5 trillions, very easy for the Bitcoin price. I don't want to extend it and stretch it too much. This is a conservative prediction for Bitcoin from a market cap perspective. So as you understand, if we reach 10 trillion in the total market cap, 200 billion for a project like Kaspa is not a big deal, guys. When people are gonna realize what is Kaspa, trust me, it's gonna be the battle of the battle. Who's gonna buy the majority of the supply? It's gonna be a real fight. Okay, it's gonna be a real fight. And like as I have told you, I believe like Binance, big financial institutions, easy minimum 2 billion market cap is gonna be held by Binance. Okay, even Mixi, KuCoin, Get.io got 1 billion, because these exchanges are early investors. And if you see here, maximum supply of Kaspa is only 28 billion. So as you realize, that's going to drive the price up. the demand and supply. This is basic mathematics, guys, from the school. Supply and demand. When we have lots of demand but a certain supply, that drive the price up. This is going to happen by 2025, and we can definitely see even more than 200 billion, guys, if all the hard forks are implemented until then into the mainnet without any problem, because then Kaspa will be in a non-comparable level with the rest of cryptos. Okay, and by the time more and more people will notice Kaspa, and they are going to get FOMO, because everyone at that time will speak for the digital silver. And even whales, okay, even big YouTubers, crypto YouTubers that are multimillionaires, billionaires, or whatever, when they're gonna realize what is Kaspa, they're gonna buy like crazy. Da Vinci J15, all of these guys that got like they are billionaires or multi-millionaires. I don't know their financial background, but these guys that they got lots of money in, their early investors in the Bitcoin before 2015. These guys are gonna buy like there is no tomorrow Kaspa. Okay, Kaspa is about to replace in some way the Ethereum. But as I have told you, but this is for another video topic, Kaspa is about to flip Ethereum the time that actually they're gonna start implementing the smart contracts. But that's for another topic. And let's continue, guys. As I have told you, you will see Kaspa everywhere. Big YouTubers to cover it daily. Lots of tweets by big influencers in the Twitter. That's gonna be the time that Kaspa will explode a lot, and there's gonna be lots of FOMO around Kaspa. And also, guys, in general, do not forget that 100 billion level from a market cap side, it won't be a big deal, because the total market cap will be insane, 10 trillions. And I don't say that for Kaspa, I say that for general crypto projects. And to remind you, in 2021, which was the previous bull run, we saw Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, projects like that were very close to touch the 100 billion market cap. So if you think about in the previous bull run, we had 3 trillion in the total market cap worth, and we saw Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin very close to 100 billion. When we're gonna see 10 trillion in the total market cap worth, how many coins will be in the level of 100 billion? Lots of projects, okay? And I believe maybe we can see even more than 10 trillions, but I would like to keep that conservative on this video. I don't want to extend it with bullish scenarios or bearish scenarios. I would like to keep it neutral. That's why I'm speaking for a conservative predictions. So as you see here, these cryptos are not even close to Kaspa, even with a ghost tag. And I won't stretch it with a dark knight, because the comparison here will be funny. And even with a Rustlang. I should write that here. But anyway, this is why I believe 200 billion, guys, is a very conservative prediction, which is equals to $10. And you need to think about that if you're going to see those 10 trillion into the market, for Kaspa to reach 200 billion in the first bull run isn't a big deal, isn't something crazy, because Kaspa is going to be in a non-comparable level. And as I told you, the battle of the battle, lots of people gonna buy Kaspa like crazy, and the majority of people gonna buy Kaspa at $1 and after. This is the funny thing, okay? They won't buy Kaspa at 3 cents or 5 cents. They're gonna buy Kaspa above $1. We have seen always these things happening, like Bitcoin. No one is buying like in the bear markets. Everyone is buying when the price is $50,000, $60,000. You can clearly see everyone is buying. You are getting phone calls, and everyone is speaking for Bitcoin in the bull runs, but no one is buying Bitcoin and every crypto in general, like Kaspa or whatever, in the bear market. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I will be happy to reply that. And also, if you are interested to store your Kaspa in the safest way, I recommend you the Tagem wallet. Is the safest cold storage according to my preference, and this is not sponsored, okay? And if you are looking for a 10% discount, you can use the code CryptoChris, or click here the link, and you can get this 10% discount code, which is gonna be nice for your pocket. And for the people who ask me where I buy Kaspa from Mixi, because it's a centralized exchange without QAC. So you can even click here the link of Mixi, and you can get some trading discount fees. So guys, this is the video. Don't forget to follow me in my Twitter. I upload there a couple tweets per day which are very positive around Kaspa and very educational around Kaspa, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.